Okay, so I stole the Dato's video camera. Nice bright pink, so if anybody sees me, this is really uncool. I'm going to do a warm-up on the new HIDs I just got off of eBay. But, you know, it's fog lights, headlights. I'll show you them to you after I start the truck. If you listen closely, you can actually hear the engine tick. It's driving me nuts. It's exhaust leak on the front manifold. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.